even though I've literally spent thousands of hours watching random videos over and over and over again, it could have been so easy to save a lot of those hours and do different things I would have been way prouder to do. The reason why I watched so many videos was just because of how easy it was to do. I would come home from school, I would be so drained that all I would want to do is just sit on the couch, on my computer chair, and just watch videos. This video seems interesting. That video seems interesting. Oh, this one is cool. And then before I would know it, I would have to get called for dinner. I'd eat my dinner. I'd go back to watching videos, and then I'd get called to go to sleep. And it felt good in the moment, but now just thinking back on it, that's how I spent every single day, just watching videos. And I couldn't even tell you 95% of the videos I watched. I can tell you that they were like funny, they were entertaining at the time, but it's not funny or helpful now when I just spent all that time watching videos. And this problem stuck with me for years. Even recently, in the past year or 2 years, I kept just watching videos over and over and over again without really learning or taking anything from it, just because it's entertainment and I could kill some time. But then something changed which helped me a ton to stop making videos, and it was so easy. I can't believe I haven't done it sooner. And it was just because of these Chrome extensions. Honestly, this alone probably cut down the amount of time I spent watching YouTube in a day by at least 70%. Because we watch a video and then, oh, this video looks cool. Oh, this video looks cool. There's none of that, oh, this video looks cool. It's just you watch one video. I have links to the Chrome extensions I used in the description, but you can remove the homepage, remove the sidebar of little recommended videos that you might be looking at right now. Remove the comment section so I can't even scroll down to the comments to try to get something out of it, when all there is for YouTube is to search something up and watch the video. There's no little side things to distract you. You use YouTube with so much more of a purpose, and having those super easy Chrome extensions I could just install right away, which were free. Like, I can't believe actually how simple it was just to install that. And then if I had that right away, I could have, instead of probably spending around 10,000 hours watching YouTube videos, it probably could have been 2,000 or 1,000. Honestly. And I would have been able to use those 8,000 hours with so much more of a purpose, doing other things, thinking of what else I can do that's around me. Instead of sitting out here in this amazing place, which is so close to me, I would have just been on my phone watching videos. But when I started to think of more things I can genuinely actually think about things, not just be like, I'm bored, I don't know what to do, let me watch a video. Genuinely stay bored. Think about what things you can do with your time, what you're passionate about, what you like doing, and start doing that. Because when I thought about that more, I thought, oh, instead of watching videos, maybe I can make videos. And then I tried it. I didn't think I was going to commit to it, but I liked it. So I kept doing it. And now you're watching this video. And I'm making this video on my phone when I could have just been watching a video. But now I'm able to be outside, make this video, talk to you, and just feel a lot better about my life. Honestly, I would recommend you to try to do the same. We've probably watched thousands of different videos, shorts or long form longer form videos like these, so you know what you like, you know what you would want to see on YouTube. What if you tried making a little video? I think that can be a great step to try to create more than you consume. That's what I've been trying to do. Create more than I consume. It's so easy to consume so much stuff, but I believe I have more power, more control over my life the less I consume and the more I create. Creating videos, creating opportunities, moments. That's what I mean. Just think about that for a second. I'm not going to cut it. I'm just going to think about what else I can say, but just think about that. What can you actually do? What is something you kind of want to try? You've been thinking about, but you just haven't done for some reason. Instead of watching another video, instead of clicking off, looking at the sidebar, the comments, download those Chrome extensions. Think about what you can do. Try making a video if that sparks any amount of interest. Because doing that is way better than just watching another video that you're going to forget about. Because let's be honest, you're going to listen to this video and then in a week, you're going to completely forget this place existed. Probably, right? Like, be honest. Do you remember the 47th video you watched on YouTube? No. Do you remember the 1017th video you watched? No. Are you going to remember this video? Probably not, but you can change that. If you like it, if you save it, if you subscribe. Because videos like these are the ones I wish I remembered more. I wish I took more action on. And that actually leads me to my last thing, which was I was able to learn a lot more and get that entertainment that I wanted from YouTube just by doing things in real life, like playing sports, getting hobbies. If I wanted to, what was the first thing I said? It was entertainment, and then it was, oh my gosh. Learn something. Yeah, I would go out to places and try things, learn things. Like if I wanted to learn how to make better videos, I would probably learn a lot more from making videos myself. You're right? Or how to run faster, just run more. You know, stuff like that. Yeah, there's technique and things like that, but you can learn those after you've done it hundreds of times. I personally started to learn a lot of things better, faster, quicker, just because I've started to learn things in real life instead of trying to do it in person. So try new things, keep going, and just think of all the hours you can spend doing other things. So I really hope you can think about this. Goodbye.